How to earn money on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different things that you can go ahead and do. The first one is creating a Roblox studio experience. So if I go over to more, and then I'm going to be able to press create right here. So it's going to bring us to the creator dashboard. Over here, we can make creations. So you can make your own game. And if I go ahead and edit in studio, I can go ahead and make it. Or what I could also go ahead and do is press these three little dots, and then I can configure this. So what I can do is click on it, go over to settings, and then basically I can make a shop as well. For example, if I wanted to add in like a t-shirt or anything like that, I could go ahead and do that through the Roblox Studio. Like if I go over to creations, I can go to development items, and then I can create packages or avatar items as well if I wanted to go ahead and do that. So there's a few different ways that you're going to be able to do it, and it's really worth it. However, you have to be at least 13 years old with a verified email and hold a valid Roblox premium subscription as well. But then once you go ahead and do those things, you'll be good to go. And I'd also recommend going over to this learn area to see exactly what you could be making, how to make it, and exactly how you're going to be making your money as well on this game.